morning, guys. We have an appointment ngayon sa pedya ni Kai. And hinihintay ko lang si Devin. Tapos punta na kami. Late kami actually na naman. Dahil may meeting si Devin. What we gonna do? Happy birthday, Sanji. Today is Sanji's birthday. Sanji is 1 year old already. Sanji is 1 year old already. Diba? Sobrang hungry ko, but I don't want to eat the pizza because my tummy was hurting with that pizza. Outfit check. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, look at the poogie boy. We're on our way. We're on our way. Can I see myself? Yes, we're on our way with the baby. Ito ako sa likod. Uy, babe,
Huh?
Seatbelt. Ito ako sa likod nagsakay, guys, kasi the baby is too young.
Too young for what?
To be alone in the back.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Wow, I'm super hungry. I'm craving steak. I want to eat steak in the morning. Sana all right.
Sana all. Morning steak.
Actually, guys, malapit lang to sa amin, pero kailangan namin mag-car dahil late na kami. And wait, the baby is awake. Don't poop, huh? We didn't bring a wipes.
You just said you brought things.
I brought Pampers, but not wipes. But he pooped already.
Okay, yeah. This morning as well, and then I fed him like another 30 cc. He pooped again.
Yep. So today is Sanjay's Sanji's first birthday. And what are we going to do, love?
Nothing.
Buy a cake?
No.
Nay.
Do you want to?
What do you call this one? I forgot. Will you work from home in the afternoon?
Yep.
Nice.
You know what he gets for his birthday? Some time home alone.
I was thinking, he was actually sleeping with us, with the baby, because the baby's in our bed, right?
Yeah.
So he was sleeping beside me, because I was sleeping in your side, and the baby is in my side.
Yeah.
And then he's like next to me. There, family. Yes, finally we could use that thing now.
Indeed.
Oh, it's too bright. Sobrang bright lang.
Babe, can you get him out? I'll get
We ging hier naartoe, hè? Ja, ben je een beetje nieuwsgierig? Ja. Oké.
Are you
Again,
excited?
what did you say?
I said me and my son are unboxing this Switch. Wow, look. We're gonna be playing racing. It's nice and clean again.
Nice and clean. Of course it's new. It might be strange when it's dirty. Wow. Happy ka?
I think so.
Oh, so nice. Wow. After how many years?
Oh. I'm not even sure if I need to unpack these. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sanji!
Hip to the peep!
Woo! Hip hip hip! Woo! Yay! Mommy kiss?
No.
Oh.
Here. Mommy kiss, but here only.
Yay!
What does Sanji get?
What does Sanji get? Pick ear.
Tapos na kami, guys. And everything is good.
Except
What?
nothing.
Except nothing.
Nothing.
Except of nothing. Hey guys, Kai is 1 month old today. Hello everybody, good morning everyone. Happy Tuesday guys. Kakatapos ko lang mag photoshoot sa ni Kai para sa kanyang 1 month old. And ipapakita ko siya. Ayan yung mga na photoshoot ko. And guys, ang dami kong vlog pero hindi ko siya ma-transfer sa aking MacBook. Yung isa kong SD card parang nasira ata siya. So, yung video is nasa SD card. Nakikita ko siya sa MacBook pero hindi ko siya ma-transfer. And then, I tried this SD card. Gumagana naman siya. Hey, Sanji Boy. Sanji Boy's first birthday as well yesterday. So, ayun. Hindi siya gumagana. Hindi siya ma-import sa aking MacBook. So, di ko alam. Sayang yung mga video doon kasi doon yung mga mga update drama. Ayun. Pero anyways, kung hindi siya ito na lang, gagawa na lang ko ng bagong vlog. This is the new reality of me. And guys, nakahiga ko kasi while the baby is sleeping. It's also my time to rest kasi wala akong masyadong rest if the baby is awake. Kasi nakakarga lang ko sa kanya pero pag tulog siya, nasa siya sa crib. And then, last night as well guys is I didn't have sleep. It's been 1 month ago na may good sleep. Pero ngayon, kita-kita nyo naman yung eye bags ko. Ayan, lumalalim na siya. Pero, okay lang kasi the baby needs me. So, ito yung ginagawa ko guys. Kasi ito din yung advice ng pedya ni Kai. Dahil, hindi siya satisfied pag nag-breastfeed. And, masakit din yung boobs ko pag matagal siyang nag-breastfeed. Hindi pa ako sanay. So, inuunti-unti namin siya. So, ito, 60 cc ng formula. But first, I have to breastfeed him. And if hindi siya satisfied, meron siyang bottle. Pero gagawin ko na yung bottle kasi para hindi na ako tatayo mamaya. And advice din ng cramp sorg is ang gamitin kong water is tap water lang and hindi yung naka-bottled water kasi may nilagay daw silang colic doon. So, yun yung advice. So, sinusunod ko lang. Parang napatagal. And, na-shock din ako dito guys kasi mina-microwave ang gatas. Two kinds of bottle gamit ko ito pag umaga kasi mabilis siya, and yung isa kasi ito yung ganyan yung tip, and paggabi ito para hindi masyadong mabilis siya mag-deliver. Yaya! So, Guys, what's your advice para hindi kabagin si baby? Kasi feel ko kinakabag siya. Ayun o, umuutot siya. And I think it's maybe from the food that I ate dahil breastfeeding ako. So, please leave a comment in the comment section, guys. It will help me a lot. So, ito yung ganap namin every 2 hours since breastfeed siya. And I don't know how much milk ba't ang ano ng camera ko? And I don't know how much milk he will get from me. Pero I think he has enough naman, but natutulog kasi siya. So, yeah, kahapon yung check-up day namin, and in-advise nga ng pedya ni Kai na pag hindi siya satisfied sa breastfeeding, bigyan ko siya ng milk para tuloy-tuloy na tulog niya. Pero so far, and good news pala guys is 3 kilo plus na si Kai. Yeah, 3 plus kilo na siya. And chinek niya lang kahapon yung mga development ni Kai. And chinek yung eyes ni Kai. Ayun, do you call this one? Good naman, nakakita siya. And then pandinig niya okay. Yung pinadapa siya, hindi lang ni Kai, hindi niya ni-raise yung kanyang ulo. But we tried to do the tummy time kaninang umaga. Nag-work naman siya. Kahapon baka siguro hindi niya nagawa kahapon kasi tulog siya and tired. And then ang concern lang namin is yung niya, eye bags, kasi usually sabi niya na nawawala naman daw after how many days yung eye bags niya, kasi swollen pa yung eyes niya. Pero hindi naman daw siya like the very anong tawag yung parang concern kasi baka ewan ko, hindi ko sila naiintindihan, basta yun yung concern niya, yung eyes. Pero parang tinitignan ko ngayon, parang better naman siya ngayon. So I hope it will be continue healing. Ito yung struggles namin guys, is siya makapag-latch ng maayos, and then sometimes masakit pag nagdi-daddy siya. May advice din yung namin kahapon, yung pedya, na pumunta kami sa sa lactate specialist. So ita-try namin yon kasi plano ko talaga mag-stop na mag-breastfeed kasi sobrang sakit na ng nipples ko, and feel ko wala siyang milk na kukuha, pero meron pala. So ita-try ko again for 1 month, and if it doesn't work, or if it's still painful, I'm really gonna stop it. Guys, tapos na siyang magkain. And nag-bottle feed, and naubos niya. Now, I'm gonna make him burp. I don't know how long will it take to make him burp. Can you burp now? This is our journey to life. Did you go? Let's change the diaper. You're growing, love. Last time hindi fit sa kanya yung mga yung mga socks na nabili namin. Look at it now. Fits na. So, good sign. He is growing. Please continue to grow, my love. Yeah. You want your diaper always change, but you don't like me changing your diaper because it's cold, no? Gawin na itsura ko. Sobrang oily ng hair ko. Don't poop now, ha? We just change your diaper. Careful lang. Oh, good so. Good so. You just burped. Good job. Pinalahan pala ako ng flowers ni Devin, guys, noong Saturday. Ayan. Napakaganda ng kulay. Pink and yellow. Dahil pink and yellow is my favorite color. We are making our dinner and he decided to cry. When we were chilling, he didn't cry.
When we were chilling, we?
Me and him.
No, because she likes sleeping with mommy.
Oh, you're gonna eat milk? You're gonna eat milk with Papa? You're gonna be so cold, bro.
I'm gonna wash the...
Oh no! So, mine is pork chop with rice, and Devin's gonna have this one, fried magkanda. Don't stop me now. Sure. Daddy's booby don't have milk. Finally, nakaligo na.
Will you make bottle? Do I have to?
I have to make. Nutrilon lang. My breast. So I'm gonna dry my hair para mabilis matuyo. Gusto ko kasi pag naliligo ako, guys, kahit nandito si Devin, gusto ko tulog yung baby para mag-focus na lang si Devin sa kanyang routine kasi ang aga kasing nagising din ni Devin today and gusto ko lang siyang magpahinga. Kaya naglalaro siya ng kanyang comfort game. It's done. Ganyan makabilis mag-dry ng ating hair. Picture muna tayo for thumbnail. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button to get updated on my daily vlog. Thank you for watching. Yes? Yep. Where is it?
No idea.
Okay.